Let's see how to select multiple words at once instantly in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to select this word, lorem. And what we can do is, first off, we can manually highlight every single word here by dragging our cursor across it. And we can add another selected text by holding the control button and doing the same thing, dragging and simply selecting your text. Now, another way that you can do this is by holding the control button on your keyboard and double clicking on that text. And that should automatically select the text as well. Now, to make it even easier, what you can do is use the find function of Microsoft and simply type in your word right here to see all of the mentions of your word in the document. And from there, you can just click on Control and double click on the word, such as this, to select several words instantly. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.